Do you spend hours hunched over a desk, feeling that familiar tension in your neck, back, and shoulders? Poor posture doesn't just look bad. It can cause chronic pain, fatigue, and even impact your breathing. Research shows that forward head posture, or tech neck, strains the spine, leading to long-term discomfort. Meet Posture Prime's Vertex, the revolutionary solution crafted by top physiotherapists to target the root of the problem. By applying gentle weight to the head, Posture Prime's Vertex triggers natural muscle activation, helping your body align itself over time. Unlike braces that merely prop you up, our posture trainer works with your muscles to retrain and strengthen them. With 3 weight options, you can personalize your posture correction journey and gradually relieve tension. Just 20 minutes a day can make a real difference, easing neck, shoulder, and back pain while restoring your natural alignment. Take control of your posture, your comfort, and your health with Posture Prime's Vertex.